If you haven't subscribed already, ring that bell to get notified when new movies are posted. Hey, did you get an Amazon Echo Dot for Christmas and you've already got a Sonos speaker system? You just want to get them to work a little closer together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect them together and set in your preferred speaker in your Amazon Echo groups to get the most out of both of your systems. Check it out. So before we dive right in, I want to talk about the why. So one thing that you might say is, well, hey, Sonos has the full Madam A, the Amazon voice assistant, built in. Why don't we just use that? Well, so here's the fine print. You don't get the full Amazon experience, the full Madam A experience with the voice assistant, Amazon's voice assistant, if it's not in an Amazon device. So what do I mean by this? Well, if you wanted to set up context-aware voice commands to be able to just say, hey, Madam A, turn the lights on, turn the lights off, and have it affect only the room you're in, well, you only get that if you're saying the commands to an Amazon device. Right? So you need to be able to put your Amazon, your Echo, directly into one of the Amazon groups for that to work. Echo Dots, now don't get me wrong, the Gen 3 is way better than the Gen 2, but it is still a subpar audio experience. Sonos sounds great, but you don't get the full context awareness with it, right? So how do we combine those together? Well, Echo Dots are cheap. Let's just put one in the room. No problem. We'll use our existing Sonos speakers and we'll set that up so that when you give a command to your Echo Dot, where does it play out? The music plays out through your Sonos. Everything sounds great. Check it out. So as long as you know about it, this is one of the easiest things to set up, right? If you've already got your Sonos skill connected into your Amazon environment, your Sonos speakers should already be there. So down at the bottom of the speaker groups, what we're going to do here is we're going to actually go into a specific Amazon group that we've already got set up. So you might have this already set up for rooms. I'm going to go into my office and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And you can see here right now, my preferred speaker is my Echo Dot. Again, I got a Sonos in the same room. Why would I want music playing out of my Echo Dot when I have a Sonos or other Amazon supported speaker? Now, I don't have a whole list of the speakers, so you can ask me, I can try to research it, but frankly, I wasn't able to find anything while I was putting this video together. So if you guys know of any speakers, let me know. So one thing to be aware of here is you can select different speakers as long as they're connected into your Amazon ecosystem, right? So I can click on Sonos here, and what's interesting is I can click on multiple Sonos speakers if I want to. Right? I can only select the Amazon Echo device that happens to be in the same group. So I want this connected to my Office Sonos. And basically now what happens is when I give a command into my Amazon device, instead of playing out through the Echo Dot, it's now going to play out through my Office Sonos. And this works for both Prime Music, Spotify, possibly, I'm guessing even Apple Music if you're lucky enough to be in the States. Check it out. Computer, play Amazon Prime Music.
Here's a playlist you might like. Big Game Classics on Amazon Music.
And that's it. We've managed to take our Amazon Echo Dot and really improve the audio experience while still making sure that we've got that full Amazon Madam A experience, context commands, all that great stuff. We really can have it all. So I know this one is fast and it's simple, but it's also something that I think a lot of people just don't know about. So, I wanted to let you guys know that this exists so you can take and make the most out of the equipment you've already got. Comments, questions, all that stuff, put it down below. Again, if you guys know of any other speakers that are supported or you have a link that will tell me what other speakers Amazon does support currently for this, I'd love to see that. Put that in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.